Okay, gonna show you what it's doing. Really, it's doing nothing. What? Won't start. So we're gonna change a carb today. 8mm. Take off this hose. Look at all that. Look at that. Take off the fuel line. Just compress this clamp right here. The corrosion is unbelievable. Remove the linkage right here. Another linkage back here. Gotta get this one out. This one will come easier because we already got the other part out. Look at all that corrosion coming off. There we go. There's a spring. Pay close attention to that spring right there. You see it? I'll zoom in. That's what you gotta pay attention to. It comes out. One more thing. Look right here. Fuel solenoid. Going with a 3/4. Real quick. New carburetor. Briggs & Stratton. 845199. And gasket. Okay. Look at this. Look at the difference, huh? Okay, so I got the wire in there. Just goes like that. You just gotta push real hard. That's how the wire goes in. I cut the old fuel solenoid out. I'm gonna make sure there's room left in case you want to reuse it. Okay. I hate that I had to do that, but now we got the wires exposed. Gray goes to red. Black goes to brown or beige, whatever this is. I'm just gonna check it before I put too much effort into it, make sure it even works. Okay, so see if you hear it click on. Turn the key a little bit. Yep, I heard it click. Good. It works. I don't like the connectors like everyone else does. I like the old-fashioned tape and glue. I like to use liquid tape. Okay, just let it dry. While it's drying, you could clean up a little bit. Okay, it's cleaned up. Now it's time to put it all back together. That spring in there first. That sucker's tough to get. Like a little hook on there. Got it. It's hooked on there. The old carb was. Oh, there it is. Like an idiot, guys. Sorry. Always go with that hard connection first. Then. There we go. I got a lot of tension. There we go. Oh, that is tough. Good. Here's your fuel hookup. Remember that thing I bent? Oh, I know about that. I've done a lot of these. You gotta get the bottom in and then the top. This is why I left it bent for now, so I can get it in. Then I gotta straighten it. So let me show you. Remember how I bent it? I'm gonna bend it again. Get it in there, I hope. Come on, get in there. There. Now I straighten it back out. This is your choke. See? It's working just fine. Gotta get this hose to go back in. Just kind of use your finger and work it in. Okay, good. Right there. 10mm bolts. Okay, so you gotta put this part back in. These are 10mm. Just like that. Okay, so then you put this one in. Okay, it's starting to get scary now, folks. I'm gonna wait and see if this is gonna run at all. This is the scary part. So this just goes on here. Alright, here we go. Okay, running great. Just put the hood back on and you're done. Okay, all done. Runs good now.